Hi, I'm Steve Garner, Nutrition Portfolio Director here at Young Living. And it's my pleasure today to talk to you about a legacy product that's making a comeback here at Young Living, and that is Power Meal. Power Meal is a vegan meal replacement shake that Young Living carried for many years, and we're bringing it back with some improvements, including to the taste, texture, amino acid profile, and some new fruits and veggies. Since it originally launched, Power Meal has developed a devoted following, and shortly after it was discontinued, there was even an online petition to bring it back. To quote Jen Springer, who set up the petition, "We love and miss Power Meal. We would like to see it return to inventory like Bounce Complete did after many voices expressed their desire to have it back. Power Meal makes us feel good, energized, and it was an important part of our daily health regimen. We loved the vanilla cream flavor and that it was vegan." Well, Jen, I'm happy to report that Power Meal is back and better than ever. Now, the purpose of Power Meal is to provide a healthy base of nutrition for a healthy lifestyle. Power Meal is a vegan meal replacement with 20 grams of protein, 17 vitamins and minerals, and 11 fruits and vegetables. It's not easy to get good nutrition on the go. Most of the quick options that are available out there may come at the expense of making poor health choices. So Power Meal is a great solution whether you're on a fitness regimen or you're just looking for some effortless nutrition that won't weigh you down. Because it's a meal replacement and not just a protein boost, Power Meal is intended to replace a meal during even the busiest of days. There are a lot of protein shakes out there that don't meet the requirements to constitute a true meal replacement, and because of the clean protein, fruits, vegetables, and vitamins, Power Meal is an excellent choice if you're looking to replace a meal or even if you just need to supplement your nutritional needs. Each serving of Power Meal contains 20 grams of vegan protein derived from peas and pumpkin seeds. This combination creates a complete amino acid profile to ensure that you're getting the protein you need, especially when you're on the go. In addition to the protein, you'll also be getting a boost from 11 fruits and vegetables, including apple, wolfberry, blueberry, raspberry, strawberry, lucuma, carrot, broccoli, tomato, spinach, and sweet potato. These whole foods offer a variety of vitamins, fiber, and other nutrients that you might be missing out on. To add to these nutrients, we've added 17 vitamins and minerals to Power Meal, including B vitamins for mental energy and vitamin C and D to support a healthy immune system. There are also minerals like magnesium, zinc, calcium, and potassium to ensure that you're getting the minerals that you need. Now, we all know how important proper gut health is, so in order to support healthy digestion, Power Meal also includes orange essential oil, tapioca fiber, and a targeted enzyme blend to help you get the most out of this incredible formula. Power Meal really can be the base of a powerful gut reset regimen, and we'll talk about that in a minute. One of the other improvements that we've made from Power Meal is that there's 0 sugar added. The total sugar in each serving is actually only 2 grams, which is coming from some of those fruit powders that we talked about. There are a lot of protein powders and meal replacements out there, especially ones that contain vegan protein that use a lot of sugar to mask the taste of the protein. We found that wasn't necessary with this new Power Meal. It's got a nice balanced flavor, and instead of using sugar, we're actually using Reb M. Reb M is a 0-calorie sweetener from natural sugarcane that mirrors the taste and texture of real sugar. Reb M is produced from non-GMO sugarcane through a fermentation process. Now, sugarcane is a rapidly renewable, readily available resource, making this ingredient highly sustainable. Honestly, I've tried a lot of protein powders and meal replacements, and compared to other vegan meal replacements on the market, Power Meal is way ahead when it comes to taste, texture, and overall nutrition profile. All right, now that you have all the details, let's talk usage. Recommended usage on the label is to mix 2 scoops of Power Meal into 8 ounces of water, or your favorite beverage. So I'm gonna mix up some for you here just to show you how soluble this formula is. So I'm gonna scoop this in, and I find it mixes a little better if you scoop the powder first, and then add the water here. So we're gonna add some water right over there, and stir that up. Look how quickly that dissolves, right? So with Power Meal, it's gonna stay in suspension really well, and unlike some other products that are on the market. So you're not gonna get a lot of the settling, like other, especially vegan proteins. Now, as a busy father of 4 with a hectic work schedule, it's not always easy for me to fit a good breakfast into my routine, but Power Meal makes it really easy. I also turn to Power Meal for lunch, especially if my schedule is tight or if I'm on an intermittent fast. Now, if you have some extra time on your hands, I recommend adding a banana and a scoop of Ningxia greens and making yourself a smoothie for an extra nutrient boost. Here's some advice from Gary Young in 1999 in a talk about Power Meal. But if you haven't tried it, try the Wolfberry and Power Meal in rice milk. And you can throw a banana in, you can throw a strawberry in if you want to, change the taste a little. Now, there are a lot of great products here at Young Living, but if you know what you want to accomplish, you can choose companion products to Power Meal that will help you address your goals from several different angles. If you just want to focus on fostering a healthy gut microbiome, Life 9 and Essentialzymes 4 are the perfect additions to Power Meal. All three products support healthy digestion in their own unique way. Power Meal provides the prebiotic fiber and some enzymes. Essentialzymes 4 helps break everything down, and Life 9 helps reseed that beneficial gut bacteria. There are plenty of other products that complement Power Meal's unique formula, so feel free to get creative and start getting the results you want. With 20 grams of vegan protein, 11 fruits and vegetables, and 17 vitamins and minerals, Power Meal is a well-rounded addition to your busy and healthy lifestyle. With Power Meal, eating healthy doesn't have to be inconvenient, and I'm proud to be part of a company that is so dedicated to incorporating healthy options for busy people like me. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your 2022 convention experience.